Okay, it's about, let me see, it's about 4:10 in the morning, and we are off for Leh. Oh, how happy am I? And well, this isn't going to be a solo ride. I'll have a friend who will be accompanying me on the ride. I won't record much tonight because today I'm just halting over at Chandigarh. Need to gather a couple of supplies, meet a couple of people, and I'll leave for Leh the next day, the following day, that is.
Dear God, there's a lot of questions that I have about the past. And I don't want to hear it from a human. You made it, so you're the last person that I'm ever gonna ask.
Alright, we are now at Chandigarh. Now, because of my awesome driving, it just only took me about 6 hours to get to Chandigarh from Gurgaon. Well, nonetheless, I'm gonna meet up with Gaggi, who's gonna be on this ride with me, and crash for a little while, and then probably at midnight we leave for Manali. How cool is that? Time check, time कितना हो गया? 11:25. परफेक्ट टाइम पे निकले मैं यहाँ से. फिगर आउट करके दस दो ना, है ना, कि भी 4 लेन्स ने कि 2 लेन्स है. अपर रॉन्ग है. अपर गलत है जी. फिर आह की चीज है विच. ये 2 उधर ਨੂੰ जा रही है, 2 उधरों आ रही है. फिर ਆਪਾਂ ਪੁੱਠਾ ਹੀ ਤਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ. It's dawn now, and we're at Mandi, which is right on the way to Kullu, and we're now visiting Gurdwara Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj. And this is where Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj stayed for approximately a little over 6 months. And the river Byas, right opposite the Gurdwara Sahib, there's a rock in the river where Guru Sahib used to meditate when he was staying here. There are Guru Sahib's belongings in the Gurdwara, right from his bed to his shastras and musical instruments. Definitely the best way to start the day. Definitely the best way to start the day. It's noon and we're at Manali, and right on time because we have the whole of the day to us. We're staying at a friend's hotel, and right across the river is the Mall Road and the way to Old Manali, which is where we'd be headed to in the evening. And we'll just walk across because doesn't seem to be that we'll carry a fully loaded jeep across the city. So let's just head out. There's this great nostalgia about this place for me because I've spent a decent time of my childhood here. My dad was posted here back in the day. We just had to grab a couple of things from the mall road, otherwise it's too people heavy for us to be roaming around over there. So we headed off to one of my favorite cafes in Manali. Had some food over there, and then we headed out to Old Manali, where we would then end up spending the evening. We're now headed over to Old Manali. This right here is the Manalsu River. Right on the bank of this river is the Evergreen Cafe, which is where we'd be headed to spend the evening. The cafe that we went to earlier was the Corner House Cafe, and there are plenty many in Manali. Evergreen Cafe, 1947, 1986, Amigos, Johnson's, Mount View, Chopsticks, Dylan's, Drifters. There are tons of them, and all of them are brilliant.